Yes, you have been very supportive. The whole team, all the members of the team, they have been very supportive. Night time also we call you.
There will be no election. Then where that money we want to spend that?
That's why you are meeting this meeting. But I assure you that even to the but for something which is done by so many people in Shillong, how can I give you a timeline for it? I can tell you this time that I receive funds in my first place office account. I will take just one day only the first place I can assure you. But I give you a timeline. Let's not talk about that.
Without solution, the like that.
Ask from him. How much time?
Pankor ini ahik sana ini mah. Apa sana ya?
Oh, berjaya saya pasal merah.
Because he will set up, okay, give me 2-3 days, 4-5 days. The same thing will happen, sir. We also don't want to talk so many times regarding the same issue.
Let me have a meeting with him. Clarify, I will tell you what is the discussion.
Wan yang harus ngimat, song yang mana deh? Bukan mentai deh, keren yang muncul deh.
Wan lagi cikgu.